Hi everyone, I'm Tukkagiri. Welcome to channel Cadd+Theory. Topic about circle. In the last video, we discussed about arc length. Today, we will discuss about chord length. Let's see. If you see in these two images, from point P to and point N is chord length and same as in the here also. To find this chord length, you can use this equation based on angle. Here theta is center angle, r is radius of the circle. In case if you have a perpendicular distance from point O to point M on chord length, you can use this equation. If you see this image, right angle triangle, here NM is the chord length, OM is the perpendicular distance, and ON is the radius of this circle. Here I took chord length only from M2 and in the total chord length. Half of the chord length I took. Based on this triangle, you can use Pythagoras theorem. That is a square plus b square plus equals to c square. Here a in the sense c, b in the sense d, on c in the sense r. So based on this, I written equation here. See here. So we need chord length. So here chord length is this. So solving this equation, we get c equals to 2 into square root of r square minus d square. So this 2 means we are finding only half of the chord length from n to m. n to m. So we need from point n to point p. So we need this total arc length. We need to multiply it by this square root of r square minus d square. Then you will get total chord length, where r is radius of the circle, c is chord length, d is capital D is perpendicular distance on from circle center to chord length, and theta is center angle. Let's see, we can implement these two equations theoretically and Cadd tool. Let what value we will get, let's find out. Let's see in Cadd what value we get. Selecting top plane, sketch, and taking circle, and also taking a line, providing dimension. Diameter is 90, and providing angle is 50. Okay, existing extrude, providing thickness 5 mm. This okay, and in the same sketch, extruding this one 5 plus 2 7. See, I shown here same this type of image. Let's see, and this one also later. Okay, going top view, taking measure tool, selecting this point and this point. So we found we got 38.04 value, that is chord length value. Let's see theoretically what value we get. Taking calculator, what is the formula we have for finding chord length based on angle? So here C equals to 2 or sine theta by 2. Let's see what value we got. So we know diad 90. So we need radius. So 90 by 2. 45 we have. Okay. Let's do this. So 2 or sine theta by 2 is the chord length equation. So 2 into what is R we got 45 into, taking open bracket, we give an angle 50 degree. Okay, so by we need theta by 2, that means 50 by 2, so that is 25 and going sine, close bracket, and equal to, we got 38.0356. So same value or around 0.35, that means 0.038.04 value only we got. So we got same value. Let's go to second case. Selecting top plane, sketching, taking circle, and taking line, giving dimension. Diameter is 80, angle 100. Taking a center line, selecting this line on this line on center line, making symmetry, and trimming outside. So providing 2 mm or in thick, 5 mm thick, 2 mm or 5 mm thickness. So I provided 5 mm thickness. As per second case, let's see. So in second case, the perpendicular distance we need from O to M on chord length. So we will draw a sketch on this surface. From this point to this point. So we need this chord length. So perpendicular distance. Let's see. So how much we got perpendicular distance? 25.71. What is chord length? We got 61.28 is chord length. Okay. Let's go with this equation, second case equation. We will get or not that this chord length value. Okay. We know perpendicular distance is 25.71. Okay, so what is the value we got? Equation is 2 into square root of r square minus d square. Here r is radius, d is perpendicular distance. Let's go. So we know we given, so let's see what is radius. 40 is radius. Okay, so formula is 2 into open bracket. Okay, let's see first find square root of r square minus d square. Okay, so what is R? 40. 40 a square minus, what is the value of this? 25.71 perpendicular distance value. 25.71 square root. Close the bracket. Okay, it is taking only this total. Let's see another way. So first take open bracket and 40 radius square root minus 125.71 square root, close the bracket, and total give square root equals to, we got 30.61 and we got only this length only. Let's see this length how much we got from here to here. 30.61. See here 30.64. So same value we got around 30.64. We need total chord length. So we need to multiply with 2. What we got? 61.2860. Let's see from here to here. So we got same value 61.28 or 29 around. So in case 2 also we got same value in CAD as well as theoretical. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment if you need any theoretical calculation. Thank you.